Lily talks English. Hi friends, it's me, Lily. Today we are going to learn vegetables. Vegetables are so healthy and yummy. Are you ready? Let's go. Ooh, tomato. Can you say it? Tomato. Say it with me. Tomato. Tomato. Great job. Oh, potato. Can you say it? Potato. Say it with me. Potato. Potato. Brilliant. Ooh, potato. And look, French fries. Fries are made of potatoes. I love French fries. They are so yummy. Do you love French fries? Broccoli. Can you say it? Broccoli. Say it with me. Broccoli. Broccoli. Excellent. Oh, onion. Can you say it? Onion. Say it with me. Onion. Onion. Fantastic. Oh, onion. Onion makes me cry. Whoa, my eyes. They are watering. Ooh, carrot. Can you say it? Carrot. Say it with me. Carrot. Carrot. Wonderful. Corn. Can you say it? Corn. Say it with me. Corn. Corn. Fantastic. Ooh, corn. Corn is so yummy. I love corn. Ooh, cucumber. Can you say it? Cucumber. Say it with me. Cucumber. Cucumber. Amazing. Ooh, pepper. Can you say it? Pepper. Say it with me. Pepper. Pepper. Superb. Great job, friends. Now you know all the vegetables. You are so smart. See you next time. Bye-bye, friends.